Hi, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I am excited to be at one of my latest new homes that I want to share with you today, located at 81st and Broadway. In the heart of the Upper West Side, you have one of Robert A. Stern's finest creations that has only 21 homes in it. Truly the epitome of what boutique living is all about. 3 levels of indoor and outdoor amenities reflect the vitality of this neighborhood that you can come home to each day. Upon coming home to your semi-private elevator vestibule, one of 2 homes, 10B offers 2,500 square feet with an open floor plan for your living room, dining room, with a small bone kitchen. You will enjoy the freshly curated finishes of Kimberly Chapman Interiors. There's so many things that I love about this home. I'm not quite sure where exactly to start, but the public rooms enjoy a 4-inch chevron herringbone floor, which leads to the private rooms, which have 2 separate wings. 2 bedrooms on one side, a library or a 4th bedroom next to the primary bedroom. And once again, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, awaiting to hear from you to come see us at 250 West 81st Street, 10B. Have a great day.